thing here. 100% infill. Huge thing here. This is also on island. I mean, can you even see it 3D printed? Oh no, even play around. It's very nice. So we are in the lab. 40mm cube. Whoa. Be mine. All our different materials. How do you guys like this? I think we are live. Hello, hello. Oh wait, like this. Hello, hello. Can you everyone see me? Hear me? Hi Matt, can you hear me?
Well, I can hear you at least.
Okay, let me see. Can the chat hear me? Yes on Twitch. How about on YouTube? Yes on YouTube. Great. How's everyone? Oh, wait. So I can basically cannot hear it. How's the music? Because I don't have any feedback on the stream sound, so I want to make sure the music is not too loud. Is that okay? It's not the Polymaker warehouse. I hope our warehouse is bigger than that. Okay, everything is good. Great. So I'm here with Pete behind me here, and Matt just below here. So today is the return of Printbusters. So a bit of a stream that was not super planned, but yesterday we received the information that all the equipment would arrive today. And you can see behind me, we put all the equipment here, but nothing is plugged, nothing is ready. So we are going to discover, some of them we haven't even unpacked. So we are going to discover everything together. And I didn't post anything on Discord yet, so because my computer is kind of like on the wall and not super comfortable to post some stuff. So if you don't mind maybe going on Discord, if you can just like in general just send the link to the stream, that would I would really appreciate. And maybe on Twitter, maybe if you can share, because I didn't have yeah, I focused more on the equipment than sharing about the live stream, but I thought we would discover all the equipment together. So we have an extra camera. Shall we try if that's working? To show you some close-up. Let's activate. Yeah, there you go. And there you go. So we have a fourth camera to show you. That's a little bit our setup. Can you go horizontal to see if that's one? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, awesome. Great. So I will remove that camera for now, and then we'll start. What did you show? Okay. Friday night Polymaker stream. Yeah, and the idea is that I still haven't chosen whether I'm gonna do Friday night or another time. Yeah, let's see how we do that. And chat also is here, so it's easier for us to read. So we might not always look at the camera. But yeah, how about you, Matt? Which device are you the most excited about?
Well, I was actually just thinking, can you take my video off the screen so everybody can see more of the important stuff?
The problem is if I take you off screen, then your mic won't be working, so you won't be able to talk.
All right.
What I can do is I can do something like this. Maybe.
There you go. That's better.
And maybe this camera or the other camera. Yeah, we'll change camera around. So now I need to talk to this camera. Yeah. How about the sound? Can you guys hear me? Even if I'm here, even if I'm talking to here, can you guys hear me? The chat and Matt. I think Matt can hear me. We tested that.
Yep, you sound all right.
Okay, great. I just discovered that Orca Slicer has added a bunch of Polymaker profile. Yeah, you discovered that? Yeah, we're working on putting profiles. Sorry, I need to talk here now. We are working on adding more and more profile to Bamboo Studio, Orca Slicer, and a bunch of other slicers to make make the printing easier with our product. But yeah, let's get to open some stuff. So yeah, Matt. Sorry, I keep talking to him because this is where I see you. But Matt, which one do you want to start with?
I don't remember the full list of what you've got over there. You got a ton of stuff. I know you've got the oven on top there. That looks like the same oven I've got, just in a different color, right?
Maybe.
And then
a little smaller.
Smaller.
it's smaller. All right. And the big oven underneath it.
So this is. So let me run through what we opened already, and then you let me know which one you want to start with. So that's the weathering station, UV temperature, humidity controlled environment to test the weather resistance. This is the programmable oven. This is the tensor and bending test. This is the impact tester. HDT, which I don't know how to use yet, so we'll have to figure out. HDMI microscope. Moisture tester. These are some Petri dishes to test the food safety, bacterial growth. I have a brittle tester. And I think that's it, right? Yeah, I think that's it. So which one do you want to try first?
Let's take a look at the weather station.
Weather station, okay. So the only one where I need to go and take the transformer. So I will leave Pete here. I will go and take the transformer because this is 220 volt.
See, it doesn't matter what I'm choosing. I always choose either wrong or the most difficult option available. That just the way it goes with me, apparently.
Did you bring a chicken? We have a request to cook a chicken.
Cook a chicken.
All of it.
Okay, so this should convert 220 to 110 theoretically. I tried it on my treadmill already, and it should work. So let's try to plug it there. So I will remove this one. Okay. Yeah. That's all it's got. Let's just put it there. So 200. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Oh wait, I also need the adapter. The adapter. Let me check. Sorry, I'm not reading the chat. Maybe Matt and Pete can read.
Ramon, we're going to be cooking some plastic. Haven't found a great recipe for it yet, though. So if you've got one, please let us know.
Okay, this should work. Oh. Another adapter.
We had to remove the door of the oven off to get it through the door because this thing is so big.
I'm honestly surprised you managed to get everything in there.
Yeah, because I hauled it over here with a F350. That's how much stuff we have. The crate was I was expecting to go to the warehouse and pick up a pallet, and it was not a pallet. It was a crate. So luckily we had a big enough truck. This angle makes me look tiny. Yeah.
So I take it the next time I'm down there, we have to put a 220 outlet in that room then?
Possibly.
What did you say?
Next time he's here, he said he volunteers to put a 220 outlet.
Oh, okay. I have no idea.
I didn't say I volunteered. I said we. Not the royal we, like the actual multiple people we could do that. So Agromagnet, we are, well, I say we are. I'm sitting comfortably in my office at home. Those guys are setting up all of the lab equipment at Nico's place.
Okay, I have a bunch of adapters, and none of them work. So I think I might have a plan B.
I guess plan B is to move on to the next, right? For now,
yeah, maybe let's move on to the next for now. Because yeah, maybe it's a strange plug. So what's the next one?
Well, how about the chat? What do you guys just got the list? What are you most excited about?
How many VA has that transformer there? I don't even know what VA means. Voltage.
It's the Veterans Association.
Milliamps.
I just know there is it's you plug it on the 110, and then there's a 110 output and a 220 output. That's the only thing. Hey, Zombie! So, Zombie, what's the next? Do we try the programmable oven, HDMI, microscope, the moisture tester, the tensile tester, or the impact tester? Which one do we try? I haven't tested any of it. I don't even know how to use them. Yes. Okay, maybe, I don't even know. Shall we try? Oh, we have the brittle tester. Maybe that's the easiest.
Maybe. This thing.
Maybe that's the easiest.
It has a.
Oh no. Maybe we should try per plug. I think this one. Let me see if this one is. Oh. Yeah, this. Into this, which plug into this. Oh, let me try this one. No. Okay. I'm assuming it's safe to put multiple adapters one after the other, right?
No, not typically.
Really?
That's frowned upon.
Okay, well, we'll have to try. Oh, Zombie is here. Zombie is can help with the electricity stuff. Okay, so this should be. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's 220, so we'll have to plug it down there.
This is the brittle tester. You see the W in it? We put filament on there and test how brittle the filament is straight off the spool.
It's like a, what do you call that? A jaw? A jaw? A mouth? 220.
Yeah, Zombie. This was all shipped over from R&D. It's all. It looks like most of it's 220.
This one is 110. This one is, so I think the UV, basically the two that we've chosen, I think is 220. The rest should be good. Theoretically. Oh, of course. This is too big to fit the top maybe for the outside.
Yep. He's plugging it in a transformer right now, Zombie.
Okay. Fire up. Okay. Nothing's happening.
Did you hear the big snap that I heard?
Nope.
Oh, the click? Yeah, it's when I switch it on.
All right, that was just the switch. That had me worried for a second.
Wait, did that green light turn on for a second or no?
Did
on
it?
The left?
No. So I plug it here, and then you come here, and then the output is 220, and then I put, maybe it's the adapter that is not. Does the adapter have some type of like power rating? Like it cannot go through the adapter or something like this? Is there such a thing?
I mean, most have a maximum rated current.
Maximum total loading 10 amp 240 volt. That should be fine. Then why is it not working? Okay, let me try. Nope, nothing.
I'm going to plug the oven, see if the oven turns on, see if it's the plug or the equipment.
Yeah, good idea.
Process of elimination.
Good idea. Yeah, obviously it's on the other side. Okay, so this one is a 110. So I should be able to plug it. I have no idea if I can plug two at the same time. So I'll remove this one and plug this one. Power ventilator. Okay, so it's turning on. At least this one is working. So I'm not happy.
Start stop.
Oh, so the beeping is because it's it suffered a little bit. Oh no. I fixed it. Okay, so you said
What's the timer?
so you can set
So you should be able to do that button to go over to 10. 10, 100, 1000. There you go.
Oh, okay. 1, 5.
And then maybe play.
Okay, ventilation is working.
Yeah, it's open.
Maybe we should start by reading. Oh, you have the same mat. So how do you use the oven?
It's not exactly the same because I have the same one as Matt has.
Yeah, I think yours is. You said yours is programmable, right? As in more than just temperature.
Theoretically, I don't know.
It's similar. Not identical, but similar.
Yeah, Pete's got the same one. He knows more than I do about it, probably.
Okay. Kenneth Sang, Diablo's phone. How's everyone? Are we talking about working again? No, we are installing. We're trying to make things work, which is not going very well so far. Trying to figure out slowly. Okay, so there's a bunch of things we can control. Most of Europe has 220 50 Hz, yeah. Okay, well at least it's switched on, but it just doesn't. No.
Let's see. We got temperature set. That's the current temperature.
What if you click OK at the temperature?
Maybe we need to add more time.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, wait, was that on 1 and 2? Oh,
E2?
Yeah, 1. Oh, see, it says 1. 2. So there's 2 different.
Alarm. 1 program. This is not very useful. This is not very useful. That reminds me, I need to add a 240 volt outlet in my garage. Interested to test printer at 120 versus 240. Would there be a difference? Or maybe like how fast they heat up or something like this? I guess. Where's my water?
Oh, I think I started it. You have to hold the play button.
Oh, then now we need the ventilation, huh? Okay, another thing then that we need to figure out is this. So,
this is a reminder. Daddy, it is 6 p.m. It is time for Hinata and Minato shower.
Shower time. Okay, so.
This is a reminder. Daddy, it is 6 p.m. It is time for Hinata and Minato shower.
Okay, so maybe you can screenshot this. This is supposed to be for HTT test. So let me put, you can screenshot and go online and try to already figure out, and then we'll try to make it work. So let me put it properly. You can screenshot, go on Google Image or ChatGPT. There you go. It's supposed to be a way to test HGT, but I don't know how to use that. So if you have a link or something that explains, like a YouTube video or something, balancer, or if you already know, then we will try.
Hold on, 105C.
Nice.
Okay.
Not going very fast. 49. Let's see how fast it can reach 100. And then we will try that that thing that I just showed you. I have no idea how it works. Okay, let's try.
Success.
Nice. Okay, fortunately Pete is here. Make things work. Okay, Matt, how about we try the, what is this? No, maybe the moisture tester should be easy to use, theoretically. Oh. So, have you guys seen a moisture tester before? Maybe we put the close-up camera. And then we'll unpack this on the floor. There you go. And then I'll remove maybe this guy here. Okay. Okay, so that's moisture tester.
Is it mirrored?
Is it what?
Oh no, it's good on the thing, but it's mirrored on my camera. Oh, but it's good on the stream.
Okay.
Success.
Ta-da! So this is supposed to be a moisture tester. So if I remember well, you put the filament here, like you chop the filament and you put it here, and then you will basically heat it up, melt it completely above 100 degrees. So all the water will evaporate, and it's basically a super high precision scale. I think that's basically how it works. So I think we can try it right away. We just take some filament, throw it in there, and see what it does. If I can find a plug somewhere. Got it. We're running out of space. Maybe here. Okay. And then we'll try. Okay. So there is some type of leveler, how do you call that?
Oh, leveler.
Leveler. Oh.
What if you plug in the desk?
Yeah.
Because the desk has extra plugs.
Yes. Sorry, we unplugged the screen, so we couldn't see the chat anymore. Okay. Okay, let's see. Power. So first. It's quite satisfying. There you go.
He's leveling the feet on it right now. If you're wondering,
Yeah.
oh, there's a level bubble on the front.
Can you see? Okay, so is that a touch screen? Oh, cool. Oh, fancy. Okay. Okay, so.
All right, chat, tell us what to do.
Let me see if. Okay.
Is Nick supposed to have a mic? Can you hear us fine right here?
Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. Can you hear us? So no language setting. Looks like.
Yes, you can hear.
You can, right? Okay. No language setting, so we'll have to do it.
I can use my phone.
Yeah.
But we won't have it closer.
Oh. Hold the phone. Okay, yeah, it's okay. We can figure out. So, Zidonggan. So this is automatic drying. Shijiangan. So this is timing drying. And then this is the recording. And I'm guessing this is saving. Yeah, something like saving. So we will do the automatic drying. So let me get some filaments. So what should we dry? What is very hygroscopic? Let me go and take the most hygroscopic stuff I have.
TPU, PETG?
Nylon would be my answer.
Oh. Matt said nylon.
I mean, I have one, but
You see the time and date? That's for China time.
Yep, that's certainly 12 hours ahead.
The time and date.
Oh,
is
11 for you.
let me try PTG because the nylon I have is your nylon, Matt. Not so. Where's the nylon?
Are you giving away my secrets on stream right now?
Matt's nylon doesn't get wet.
Matt's nylon is awesome.
Heard it here first. Leaks.
Sorry, I'm looking for my slipper, which I used not a long time ago, but I don't remember where I put it. Yeah, sorry, I just use this.
Do those Petri dishes in this box go in here? They look about same size.
Oh, I don't think so. I think this is removable. Yeah, I think we need to put this here. I think the Petri dish is for the UV oven. Okay, so I think we have to cut some filaments and put it in there. So let me see. So let me cut some filament first. Then I'm gonna put it in there and see how it works. CTG translucent glue. I don't know how small you can. Sorry guys, I'm looking for something that I'm sure is in my daughter's room at this point. Oh no! There we go. Got it. That was easier.
Hello.
Hello, attention. Neither of you have mic. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me get my wife mic. My wife is a YouTuber, so she must have.
The screen is mirrored on my phone, so I'll keep doing it in reverse. We're gonna take these little baby pieces and put them in here. This is Polylight PETG translucent.
Okay. So here's a mic, but I may need to. So maybe I will need to remove this one. Then I need to. Okay, give me a second. Hello, hello. Can you hear me, Matt?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, so if
now I can hear me though.
You can hear yourself?
Oh, I could just there. That sounds better now.
Okay. So now let me do this. Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yep, still got you.
Okay, is that coming from this mic?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and then let me put one for Pete. You try?
Hello, hello, hello.
Tap on it.
Yep.
Can you hear Pete?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay, hopefully it's better now. Okay.
I was doing it one-handed.
Okay, so I don't know how much we need, so I guess the more you have, the greater the difference for the weights, and the more accurate the result will be. So we'll just do all of this. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to have we need to build a device that that there is like a spinning wheel or something, a spinning cutter, and then you just like just cut everything.
Like the fruit cutters.
Oh, yeah, like the fruit cutter. Because if you imagine we need to do that for like you want to test like a lot of filament, you're wasting a lot of time. So yeah, we need to build that. Who is willing to build that? Oh, actually, do you think a fruit cutter?
One big cutter that goes
Like with multiple
with
blades?
with like 20 blades.
Well, maybe we can try the food cutter. Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that would cut plastic very well, and I don't know if my wife would accept that I put all my filaments in the. Or like a free food cutter that we kind of like modify or something.
Oh, a blender. Oh yeah, a blender.
Oh, shall we try? Oh, maybe it's a good idea.
I don't know how good a blender would.
Yeah, let me try.
Now, just from my personal experience, that's a terrible idea.
Yeah? You don't want to try?
When I ruin kitchen appliances with filament, my wife gets very upset.
Yeah, she doesn't use it that much. Let me see if she's in the kitchen. If she's not there, then I'm gonna take the blender.
Hey, should we leak some stuff, Matt?
Oh, he was already leaking nylon, man.
I brought him my two samples.
Your two samples of my stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
The 22 and 24.
I take a small blender like this. If we break it, worst case scenario, I just put it back and I pretend I don't know why it's broken. Okay.
What'd you do?
It's not me. No idea.
She turns it on and it's broken.
Okay, so yeah, I think we need more than that. Okay, so
Can you see what it weighs right now? Oh. Yeah, I think we got like 0.001 gram. Wait.
No, I don't think
Oh,
that's
no. Yeah, it's not because I'm pushing on it. Oh, wait, do we need to zero it first? Oh yeah, there's a zero tar right there.
Oh, yeah,
so we need to empty it to zero, make sure it's zero. Well, without the tray.
Maybe it was.
We got to do it with. You got to zero with the tray.
Was it zero first already?
Oh
yeah, it was already
zero.
Okay, so blend the time. So let me
1.663 grams. 1.66 grams.
1.66. So I don't know how much. Can you guys Google quickly, like how much gram you need to put in a moisture tester in average to have a good result? Or ask AI. Ideally, an answer before I.
Does it say in the manual?
Somebody.
Before I switch on the blender.
Somebody screenshot this and asked how much. Just throw it in ChatGPT and say how many grams do you test with this?
This just says user instruction. Basically.
Well, oh. It doesn't say the model?
No. Okay, so if I put this in the blender. I reprinted builder's
Standard
mark.
sample weight is 1 to 5 grams.
1 to 5 grams? Okay, let's put 2. Okay, let me see if the blender is working. Then there should be.
It says use closer to 5 grams for more hygroscopic materials.
Okay. Okay, I need to figure out how to use it because I cannot ask my wife. Okay, so what? Go on the other side.
Does it need to go 180?
Oh, there you go.
Oh. All right. Moment of truth.
Wait, I think this needs to go. I think it needs to go inside there. Okay. This needs to take there, and then that thing needs to go inside there.
Something blocking the bottom.
Oh, there you go. Okay. You cannot explode, right?
They shouldn't.
It's not working.
Nope. It's just spinning the plastic.
It's not working at all. It's not even dent.
There you have it. Our PETG is stronger than a blender.
That's not PETG.
Oh, that was a YouTube thing for a while, right? Will it blend?
Will it blend? Yeah, exactly. Here's a short for the Polymaker Lab. Can you blend filament? I'm wondering if more brittle filament would. Oh no, it's not a good idea. If more brittle filament would work. We can try to put ASACF, for example. Not saying it's a brittle, right? But maybe. Yeah, I think ASACF is our most brittle filament, I think. Maybe you could blend that. But if you make that a video, I can already see the comment. Adding some carbon fiber in a blender. How crazy we are. Do not try at home. Done by professional. High stay creep in.
That's Hadron.
ASACF. That is some interesting stuff. That plastic is too light compared to its toughness. It's not a tomato. Maybe if I put more. Yeah, I don't know. What percentage bamboo ASA versus? I'm not sure.
Polymaker ASACF is 8%.
Maybe Bamboo said on their website. So we are 8. Maybe you can check for Bamboo. Hi, Bezis.
Does Bamboo offer colors or no?
Okay, 2 point. Almost.
Almost.
Didn't change. One more.
Oh.
One more. 2.5. No. Okay, enough.
It might come back down. Oh.
Okay, so
2.505.
I guess we close it. And then we run it. So the temperature is going to go up to 105, so just above the boiling temperature, and then it's finished. So run it, and then you can see it's going to heat it up. And then I think this is the percentage of water, 0.11. Oh, it's going pretty fast. 42, 43, 44. And then the time it takes. Is it? I'm not sure if it's. Oh, yeah, maybe 0.15. Oh, yeah, you see. So as the weight decrease, the percentage increase. So it is the percentage of water. Or whatever is removed, which I'm guessing the majority is water. So it removed 0.05 grams so far. And as soon as it's going to be above 98, which I think is the boiling temperature, I think, then I guess it will drop quite fast, I'm guessing, because things will evaporate. And I can hear crippling. So now we are 98. And I guess it should theoretically go down. Oh, there you go. Maybe 1 more milligram. 2 more milligram. And then I guess he's gonna... Yeah, so that's why you need a very precise scale. Otherwise, there's no way you can even see the difference. I'm not sure how long it's gonna stay at 105 though. It may have been written just before. Oh, so the D you can see at the top is the precision. So you have max 100 and 110, and then the precision is 0.001 gram. So it's 1 milligram precision. So strange on your phone.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like it's not going down anymore. It's interesting. The majority of the moisture was removed at the beginning, even before we reached 90. You know what? I need to buy glove also, because what if when I touch the plate, there is a bit of moisture from my hand on the plate? So maybe I need to buy gloves.
The percentage is a lot higher now, though.
Yeah. How do you clean that thing again? The filament will be molten. Yeah.
It's not molten yet.
Oh, you can see. Nice. Yeah, it's not molten yet. So it might stay at 105 for... Yeah, because I also remember it was molten. So it might stay at 105 for some time. Make donut shape with... Oh, no, I know. It says 105, and if the weight doesn't change for an amount of time, then it just stops. I just don't know what the amount of time is. Does that mean filament dryer are useful at drying the outside of the spool quickly? Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to do some tests. Oh, it's going down one more. So we are 0.31%. Let me check the moisture curve of PETG, because this PETG was outside for quite some time. So let me check the TDS. Okay, so the
0.54?
0.54. So 0.54 is the maximum moisture you can take. And now we are at 0.39, because it was outside for quite some time. So theoretically, it should not go above 0.54. Hi, Tonya. Hi, Additive Atom. We are testing some of our new equipment. I typically don't wait for a full spool to dry. I throw it in the dryer and print fairly quickly. Yeah, I mean, you're drying the outside much faster anyway. So, and then you print relatively slow. I mean, when it comes to unwinding the layers, it's relatively slow. So, okay, so result 105 for, and then it took 5 minutes. It started at 2.505. It finished at 2.492. So that means there is 0.51% moisture. And I just said that according to our TDS, the maximum moisture intake is roughly 0.54. And this spool has been outside for quite a long time. So far makes sense. Let's see how it looks like inside. Oh, I can print. Where's that going to come from? Yeah, it doesn't work. I think I need to connect to a computer or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, maybe I have a graph. Nope. Yeah, maybe if I study a little bit how to use it, maybe we can do a graph.
Get the moisture curve out of it.
Yeah. Billy, I think just to compare, I guess. Print. This is to register. So if we save, so now save, and then you can delete. Then you can go back. Yeah, and I'm guessing if you save, if you go there, yeah, then you have the information. But there's still nothing on the graph. Maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe because here, you know, it's 5 minutes. So maybe there's only 1 point. Yeah, I don't know. But maybe what we can do is instead of doing automatic, we can do not automatic, where we can set some stuff, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Oh, that zeroes it out. That's the zero tar.
Oh, tar, yeah.
So now we have nothing on the tray.
Okay. Yeah, I need to play around with it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's not even...
Well, it doesn't melt until like crazy high degrees.
Yeah, that's true. So that means, because I remember in the... Oh, I can change. So, can I go back? Oh, maximum is...
180.
180 is maximum. Yeah, so 180. So maybe, how about we do the test again at 180, and then we try, and then we see how it goes. So let me not make the mistake to take that tray. Okay. So that's dry filaments. Oh, it is sticky.
Oh yeah, it's warm up here, but not down here.
Okay, we're going to try the test again.
We need to redo the zero.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see why we need some type of device? Because you see now I need to go back and cut some stuff. Super slow. There must be a better way. And theoretically, what I'm doing is not very good. If you do multiple tests, you should cut the filaments. You should cut a lot of filament, mix it, so that the batch is the same. Because now I'm testing, in theory, 2 different batches, even though they are pretty much on the same layer. So I think we can consider them as comparable. But you know what I mean? In theory, you need to cut a large part and then mix them and then separate it in how many batches you need. And then you consider them from exactly the same batch. Because now we are going to do at 180. If there is more moisture, either the hypothesis is if you heat up more, then there is more that come out of it, or this filament that was a little bit on the other side then had more moisture than the first one, which I don't think is a good hypothesis in that case, but you know what I mean.
So maybe we should try another test with like 2.5 grams of like 4 sticks of instead of small pieces.
Yeah.
See what kind of difference it makes.
Over here now, my YouTube was locking up. Oh, it doesn't work on YouTube? There's nobody from YouTube here? Hey, it's coming out of my printer.
We've got people from YouTube.
Yeah, we have? Okay. What do you think, Matt? Is there any other test we can do with the moisture tester, or basically just I mean, we can do some drying tests, right? We can put some filament in the oven, and then every half an hour, like we put in the oven at 70 degrees, and then every half an hour we take a little bit of it, and then we test the moisture, and then we create a curve.
Yep. So that was going to be my recommendation.
Yeah. And then we can try different temperature. We just try a moisture curve at 60, moisture curve at 70. Oh, that's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of work also. That's why we need to make things more efficient. Like this cutting, we really need, if there is some smart people that know how to print something that I can easily, like put something together that I can easily print, and maybe buy some stuff through Amazon, like like a blade or something, and then like I don't know, some type of like system.
What you need is a slap chop.
Yeah, it's like this, but you slap it on the top. Wow, wow, wow.
Ah, yeah.
That's an infomercial deal there.
Okay. Let's see how much we have here. Maybe I will print like a small. I will print a small like shovel or something, so that I don't put it in my hand like this, because maybe my hand is full of moisture and then I put it inside.
Not enough.
Not enough.
Either 2 or 2.5.
So I need not too much.
That would be one little piece if you want to do 2.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't need to be exact. Let me just add this one. What we can test also is maybe we don't need, if we go to 180, maybe we don't need to cut it in pieces. Actually, what's the reason we cut it in pieces?
You were the one that told us we had to.
Yeah, because I'm copying the R&D team. They always chop it, so I never really thought about why.
Maybe they've seen it from Breaking Bad.
I guess in theory, increased surface area will make the heating process a little faster.
Yeah. Oh, not bad.
Pretty close.
Okay. Let's see.
It's on 105 right now.
180. Okay, good to go. And let's go. Let's see. To get a better blend of test material. Oh, yeah. When we do the batches. Yeah. So for that case, I still need a way to maybe if I modify that blender somehow.
Oh yeah, paper shredder. Silverback said paper shredder would work good.
Paper shredder.
I have a paper shredder at my house.
Oh, the one for confidential information? That thing?
Yep. It has the little metal teeth grinder that cuts it up.
Oh. Okay, I need to go somewhere. Give me a second.
What was the? Did anybody write down the starting number?
It will be written down, I think.
Oh. Ooh, trying to get it straight. Super weird trying to do this. The screen is mirrored on my phone. 0.08%.
There should be a button in the settings to turn off the mirroring.
Huh? Oh. Okay. You finished?
Not yet. It's got to go. I think we have it for 5 minutes. It's on 2 minutes. And then Tony says maybe the way you cut it can contaminate your sample.
Yeah, exactly. I think I need to buy some glove. You know what? I need to make a list of stuff that I need to get. So, like for example, please don't judge me, but I don't have a caliper, and I think that's gonna be useful. So, Printbusters. So gloves, lab coat, caliper. Okay, so if you guys come up with something, oh, safety glasses, that's a good one. Safety glasses. Okay, if you have anything, just let me know, and then I will add it to the list. What kind of maker are you? I used to be a maker. Maybe I'm more a business guy now, I guess. But now that I have some new toys, might change. Well, still not a maker, more a tester, I guess. Now Nico has to explain why the blender has plastic in it. Yeah, should be fine, but my wife is now in the kitchen, so...
We all have microplastics. It's fine.
Yeah, it should be fine. Nothing. But I will put it back later. Not now. Oh, I can smell the... Can you smell?
I did earlier.
Yeah, I can smell.
Oh,
I smell hot. Not plastic, but I like smell hot. I would rinse that thoroughly. Yeah, I will. What kind of maker are you? No caliper. I told you, no judgment. I mean, Pete better be able to smell it. He has the equipment. It's interesting that heat has a smell. Yeah, I don't know how to explain, but it's...
Well, everybody knows the heat smell as soon as they turn on the heater for the first time of the year.
Yeah, it's like... Yeah.
The house heater, you know, that smell.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
the
that's
first
exactly
time.
what. 0.29. Oh, that's interesting. It's going to be lower. Yeah, so I think I definitely need, because this is pretty accurate equipment, so I definitely need gloves and yeah, when I cut the stuff, I need to be careful how to cut. Yeah, I guess time to be a little bit more how do you call that? Precise. That heater smell is burning dust. Oh, is it? Interesting.
Well,
5 minutes.
Well, should stop pretty
No,
quick.
I think it's if it doesn't move for a certain amount of time, then it doesn't. Hey, no, va. Yeah, if it doesn't move for a certain amount of time, then it's shut down. But it's interesting, 0.29 and the other was 0.51. Could it be because the filament is not from the outer layer? Well, I didn't take that much, right? So everything was from the from the outer layer.
It's still on the outer layer.
Yeah. So personally, I'd like to know how quickly it reabsorbs moisture after drying. Dry equal batches, then retest after a day. Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe, but we would need to fully dry a spool or a filament. Like I can remove like a certain amount of filament and then leave it in the humidity control oven. So the big one at the bottom, and then test it every day to see how fast it reabsorbs moisture. But we have a moisture curve on our TDS actually, so you already know that.
Yep.
Okay, is it molten now? So we're gonna save. Okay, I'll go back. Oh, not even molten.
Looks like it did melt a little bit. You can see the edges are rounded, and then there's a few pieces stuck together.
Oh yeah, it's very soft. Okay, so let me clean this and then we can start playing with another device. So that's the first working device from Printbuster. If you have some ideas of tests we can do, let me know. Oh, I cannot even remove, so I may need to wait that it cool down. Okay, let me shut it down. Where was the
Power is right here.
Oh, already? That's it?
Yeah.
Really? There is no on off? Oh, there is a plug behind to plug it to a computer. Okay, so this is good. How about we try the microscope? Shall we? Maybe where do we set up the microscope?
Think you can add it to StreamYard as a video input?
I think I can add it to the computer and then share the screen. I think that's what I can do. Let me check. Just don't know where. Maybe I will go on my desk. We'll do everything here then. Let me move you guys here. Okay, and then I will install everything here. Okay, so let me see.
Time for a product ad. With HTPLA, it will survive in this oven right now. No problem.
Do I have HTTP printer? No. Okay, microscope. So Pete ended up being the cameraman.
What are we doing here? We're playing with a bunch of new toys, a lot of new R&D equipment that we just got today.
It's Christmas. Chopping filament, testing it for humidity, and now we're going to check carbon fiber in your finger. Okay. Ooh, okay. I have another microscope, but it's not an HDMI microscope. So it would be hard to show you on stream. Thank you. Okay. Let's see what we got there. So there's something missing that is important. Oh, cool.
Not sure how that goes in the round thing.
Oh, maybe that's the microscope.
Oh, this goes, okay, right here to there. Probably.
Oh, so it's a manual plus, so maybe we'll leave the cover for now. How do you put that in there?
Oh yeah, because this is the HD digital camera right here.
Okay. So I'm guessing you put that like that.
And then that's probably a cap on top and then a cap on the front.
Oh no, this is not. Hopefully it's VGA to HDMI. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, what? Wait. What is that? We have both VGA.
We have the USB.
Oh yeah, nice. Okay, we'll try USB then. So, and I'm guessing.
And then power right here.
You have the power. Then what is this power?
This was.
Oh, there's power. Oh, maybe for the light. Maybe for the. You need this for the light. There's literally one tiny LED here, and this is, and I need to plug that. That's interesting. Oh wait. Or maybe.
Well, looking at that little control box there, it looks like it might be motorized. Are those up, down, and focus buttons? No, definitely not.
No, doesn't look like. I'm wondering, or maybe
the
I
lock is
can.
on the back. Lock is on the back, and then the motor or the gears are right here. That says T1A, T1A, and there's the power.
115 to 230. So I'm guessing the US is 110. So that should be fine, I guess. All right. 5 volt. Oh. Okay, let's plug it. Oh no.
Want to plug?
Oh, that guy, I think. Oh.
Maybe that's why it didn't work.
Didn't sound very good. Okay, let's plug this. Is it 220 or 110? Well, it says from 115 to to what? From 115 to 230, it says.
So
Pete, is there a switch on it, like on
this?
some printers, power supplies? No, on the microscope.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's already on.
No.
No. Voltage
switch
Oh,
from 110
the
to
voltage
230.
switch.
No, nothing. Oh, maybe. I mean, if it's the other way around, then it should be fine, right?
Oh, you won't blow anything up, but it won't turn on.
Okay, then I can just try. I mean, there's literally only one LED. I don't know why there's that whole stuff for an LED.
Now, for everybody listening outside the U.S. that heard me say that, it is not safe to plug in a 110 device to a 220 outlet.
I think it was already on.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
There's another. Oh, there's a light from the top. But so there's light from here. And then wait. No, I think so. For us, we're interested in the light from the top, but where's the light from the top?
That's the camera.
Oh, I know. It's there. We still have all of this.
Oh.
So I think there is some stuff there. So we have a screen. We have a screen. You can sit down if you want. Yeah, but still, how am I controlling? So there is a lamp that you put somehow like this, I guess, and then like this. Okay, and then I'm guessing
that will clamp down on this probably, or below.
Oh, there is like some type of 3 opening that may correspond to these 3 opening.
Yeah, maybe.
Fingers crossed. It worked so far.
Probably have to take the lens cap off.
Okay, so
yeah, it lines up. We're putting the LED ring light on the microscope right now.
Oh, so maybe it doesn't line up because I went too far with this one. So I need first all of them to fit. So now I have 2, 3 that fits. Okay, and then I need to give some move here, half here. Okay. Wow, I need so many I have like 3. Yeah. Let me go and see if I can get a multi. How do you get that? I need multi
You
plug.
still got one. Oh, you need the bulky one.
I have
Because
1,
because of the block.
2. There's and 3. I have 3 things to plug. Okay, let me install first to make sure. Okay, so this should go there. I'm assuming like this.
I don't think so. Wait,
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Then this needs to be plugged. This needs to be plugged, and this was the 12 DC. DC. Yeah. So this one was this one. Glassy filaments. What is that?
Oh, probably this.
Oh,
I was showing the PETG.
molten PETG. Pretty sure it's not 175 anymore. Okay, so I plug this one, and then I will plug this one. Then what is this? Oh, and then I need to plug the screen, and the screen is VGA. Oh, so that's
or
the
HDMI.
VGA. Maybe I can have both screen together. But let's do this one first. And in another stream, I will plug it directly to the computer. Imagine these things came with instruction. You already judge me as not being a maker because I don't have a caliper. So if I start reading the operation manual, you guys are going to judge me even more. Okay. No, here da. Okay, so and then I will need to plug the screen, which have some type of
amount.
What is this for?
Oh yeah. Screen goes on the square.
Oh, and then
this goes on the pole.
oh, there you go. There we go.
You got to screw the back hand. This one.
Yeah, but I'm wondering if this.
Oh, it tightens up.
Yeah. Oh, maybe with this.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we put. I'm guessing the screen, something like this. Oh, I need more give. Even more. Okay. Okay, and then I tight it. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 4 things to plug. So I definitely need
a splitter. Yeah.
Oh wait, I also need to put the VGA.
The GFCI.
That's not VGA?
Yeah, that is. Oh, I was talking about the power splitter.
Oh. Okay. VGA is there. Okay. Let me try to find a. Yeah, give me a second. I'll try to find. Cool.
Super Mega Ultra HD cam.
You know if we have a extension cable like the multiple one? Do you remember what?
gosh. Huh? Oh, I know. There's light knobs. Does it have its own software? No idea. You know as much about this as we do.
Bien, attends. Chut, comme ça, ok? Ok, hop. Ok, voilà. Okay, this should be enough. Ooh.
We need to get one of those Amazon plugs that has like 99 of those power outlets on it.
Okay.
A breaker's worst nightmare.
I'm guessing should be fine to plug everything into one, right? I don't think it asks for a lot. Okay, doesn't I think maybe I need to put it there. Oh, the oven. The oven we can shut it now, right? Yeah.
Well, we know that the oven works.
Okay. So I can shut this one down and plug this one. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, now I need to plug everything. So, first of all, I plug the screen. Screen plug, check. Well, kind of. Yeah. Okay, next, I plug the. I'm gonna need to clean this up, but next I plug this, which is the light of the microscope, which actually we don't need to plug. I mean, we don't need the light, we need the top light. So next I plug the microscope itself. Next I plug the light. Ooh, 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 start to see something. Okay.
Light controller on the side.
Light control on the side.
Oh wait, no,
No.
because it's not plugged in anything yet.
Yeah, I have no idea why there's. Okay, next we need to see something. Okay, so.
You gotta do the one in the back to go up and down.
Yeah, let me see if I can already. You need to go closer or further.
Might need to do the.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm.
Yep, that's a brushed petri dish.
Okay, so
now you should be able to dial it right here. Ooh.
Oh, that's the. Oh. Ooh.
Dang.
Oh, the bubble. Let me see.
Oh yeah, you can see the bubbles in it.
Oh, you see how they merged? Yeah.
Well, there's where all the moisture is. It's inside the plastic.
Wait, so what is this exactly?
Looks like it's auto-focusing.
Oh, so this is the
magnifier or whatever.
How do you call that? Like the depth, like you can see a wide range or you can see a short. So if you can only see this, then you have to focus within that. If you can see all of this, then you can focus anywhere in between. I don't remember depth of field. No, I don't remember how you call that. Like if you're here, then you can focus more or less on everything. Well, it looks so cool like this.
Hey, that looks like a cool desktop
Let me
background.
see. Let me see if we can. Yeah, you can see how sharp it is. You can kind of see, but it's really, the screen is really, really sharp. But I will.
Oh, what about put a fresh cut one in there? See if we can see a difference.
Oh yeah, you're right. I will plug it to my computer, and let's see. Yeah, so that's
Ooh. Yeah, definitely not 1.75 anymore.
let me. This is where I cut it. Interesting. Let me try to plug it to the computer. Then you guys can see. Oh wait, no, that's not HDMI at all.
That's the USB for the top.
Oh,
Yeah, you might be able to do a USB because that is a USB.
yeah, but I don't have.
Oh, that USB 2.
Let me. Oh, I think maybe I have adapter here. Okay, so if this adapter can send the data through, I should be able to. So let me. What can I do? Let me remove this here.
Ooh.
Let me unplug this here. Let me take you guys with me next to here. Okay. And then from here, I'll try to plug it. Hopefully we don't need any specific, well, I might need to download something.
Can anybody tell me why the end of that got black whenever he cut it? Or not black, but super dark.
Okay, so let me plug this here. What I hope is it just open a window with directly the. But nothing. Oh, what is this?
Oh, now we got some settings.
Oh, okay. Okay, I might not mess around with this. Oh, I know. There is a switch whether it goes to VGA or the other. So let me switch to the other. I don't really switch. No. Let me see you, zombie. Sorry, I didn't see your message. Let me unplug, plug back. I'm wondering if the issue is my USB.
It noticed it the first time you plugged it in.
Yeah.
Or recognized it.
Okay, that might be a part that we'll have to figure out. We'll have to figure out later. Anything else you want to put under the Microsoft before we move to the next one? Matt, anything you want to put? Oh, cool.
Nothing I can think of right now.
Okay.
I was just trying to remember why I bought one of these things.
The fingernail.
Oh, I was going to look at nozzle wear. That's what I was going to use mine for.
This is a nail. Let me check if my finger has carbon fiber in it. Oh, I do have a hair. Oh,
Oh,
I might have.
oh, you got some dirty fingers.
Oh, I have maybe some micro PTG. Oh, I do have. Looks blue, right? I have like some shiny stuff.
Oh, have you seen when people put sand from the beach under microscope?
No.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Okay, so definitely some stuff going on my fingers. Okay, let's move to the next one, which will be maybe we can break some filament with the tensile tester. Let's see. So this is the tensile tester. So it is both. So this is the clamp, right? And it can also do compression. And this is the 3-point bending test. So, but I didn't print anything. So what we can do is put some filament there and pull them apart. So I'm guessing you have to put this here and then put the pin.
Maybe down. Nope. Oh.
Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Oh wow, we have to align it perfectly. Okay, and then okay, so we'll have to plug it. Apparently, oh wait. Oh, you know what? We might struggle a little bit to use this one because I see there is no control
On the back side, what is the?
There's no control, so it means I need to download the software. I need to install it on the computer, and then I need to plug it. Oh, wait, maybe I can use this. Yeah, maybe let's just try. Oh yeah, wait. Let me check the power. Nothing.
Do you do this? Do you squeeze it by hand, or
The what?
can you do it by hand? Compress it?
This?
Oh yeah.
Let me see. I'm not too sure if it's 110 or 220.
Hey chat, tell us what it. Hey chat, look at it for us.
Yeah, actually, that's a good way to do. No, it's not written.
Oh,
Maybe
it's not turned on either.
Maybe a little bit below. No, there's nothing. Maybe the manual.
Oh yeah, there's nothing else back there.
Let's check the manual. Yeah, so we definitely need a computer with it. It is.
If I had to guess, 220 since it's from another country.
Yeah.
But we already turned off the oven so we can use the transformer.
Yeah. Let me see. So there is a so this is the manual for the software. To install the software. So you see, I will have to install this on Windows, and then this is where I register all the data basically. So I'll have to play around with this. I might not do that on stream because it's gonna be boring. A lot of things to install. Okay, but anyway, so that's the tensile tester. We'll play around with it, maybe. Oh, that's for the UV oven. And I might need to buy. Let me put you guys back there. I might need to buy another transformer. Okay, so let me put you guys here. Whew. What have we learned today? Don't load a printer and then lick your finger. Okay. Maybe we check the impact tester, because I don't think there. Oh, there's a plug. Oh, I thought that was the only thing we don't need to plug, but nope. We also need to plug.
Oh, for the screen.
Oh, it's a digital pendulum impact tester, and so it is 220. Okay, so I will have to buy 3 transformer, and then there's something pretty heavy in there, which I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's to decide whether you want to do ISOD or Sharpie. So remember, ISOD, you only, actually I always, so now my hand are,
Oh, yeah.
it's very
Ah.
greasy.
Yeah, now he will look like a mermaid under the microscope.
It's extremely greasy actually. I don't know why. Yeah, I think Sharpie is you only hold the sample on both sides, and ISOD, I think you hold it only on one side. You guys can quickly check on Google, but it's one or the other. Oh, it's funny. It's slightly magnetic on one side, or either magnetic, either is so sticky that yeah, it's not magnetic at all actually, just sticky. Okay, so there is this, and then there is this. So yeah, something like this. Again, I'm not sure yet what is what. I just know it's super greasy, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be. And this is empty. And then we have this, which I'm assuming. Oh, there you go. So this is, I think, is the Sharpie. And then there's this, and then the plug. No. Okay. So, so it looks like there is a magnet here, and then this is actually pretty heavy. Yeah, quite heavy actually. And then you see there's a magnet, and I'm guessing, I don't know, what is this?
That's for the receipts.
Oh, cool! You can print the result.
Oh, hold on, pull that out a little bit.
Oh yeah.
All right, now close it.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, y'all think we're telling a lie? We can print receipts.
Attention, d'accord?
We got receipts now.
Attention, hein?
There's some receipt paper in. Oh,
She fell down into the box, and she was stuck in the box. Okay. Okay, and then what I'm assuming what's gonna happen is that when you, so I'm not going to plug it, but I will try to remove the. So you do something like this, and then you will activate. Well, obviously it's not working, but then you will.
probably don't want to push it too hard, or else it'll.
What? You know what? It's impossible. So it's only. Yeah, sorry. I need to plug it now. It's not gonna.
So yeah. You have to use the electric to remove the magnetism.
Yeah. But we should be able to plug it. Let me just wipe my hand a little bit, and then at least it does not rust with all that oil. Oh, it's for this? You think so? Like, because it was shipped, so I'm not sure.
For what?
It say it did not rust because there's oil. I didn't know the oil is to protect the rust.
Yeah, depending on what kind of seal.
Welcome, Linux, sorry. Okay, let me try to. So let me take the transformer. And then let me put it there. Why a transformer is so heavy? Maybe because it's like copper, like big spool of copper, and that's how they. I guess there's like 2 large spool of copper wire or something like this. Where was the here? And where's the? Maybe behind, I guess.
Yep, center.
Here's a question: why the plugs are always behind? Why they don't put it? Is that aesthetic? Why they never put it in front? Wait. So we need the adapter. So if it doesn't work, it might be the adapter.
Yeah, or at least have the 90-degree left-right angle plug. That would be nice.
Okay. It's on. There's no other. You know what? It might be the adapter that is not working. It might be this. How can I test? Maybe if I have another adapter, but I don't think. How can I test whether an adapter is working or not?
Does it have a USB on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, plug a phone into that.
Oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, but maybe the USB is working. Let me plug this phone. Let me see. Let me plug. Okay, so let me plug this and see if that's working. Okay, so it is charging. So if I plug this directly, it is working.
Oh.
So if I... Oh, wait. We didn't even check if it's 220 or 110.
Yeah.
Why did I say it was 220?
I don't know.
Okay, then maybe...
Maybe it has an auto.
Yeah, then let's just try. I mean, theoretically, like this type of device, you know, anything that needs like power, then if you have the choice between if your country do 20, then you do 220. But I'm guessing for the thing that doesn't need power, like, I mean, literally you're just reading and controlling a magnet, then maybe it's not 220. Or I'm not saying it's not 220, but maybe it's both.
Yeah, there's a lot of them that are both.
Okay. Oh, nice English. There's a password, and shall we try? Nope.
It says no load. What is it? Touchscreen?
I guess so.
Well, yeah, I guess so. If there's no button.
Loaded.
Oh, loaded.
Ooh. No load. Oh, no load. This is for like the load. These things here. This is to add more load. Somewhere. This is exactly roughly the same. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Let me check. Yeah, I think this is to add more load. Yeah, I think this is to add more load.
You see the 5 on the side.
Oh yeah, 4. Is it? Yeah, 4.
And this, I don't know what that. I think it says C or something.
5. This is 5.
Oh.
5. So we have 20 something. 0. Have no idea how to activate it.
Maybe mode.
Loaded.
Oh.
Is there some safety maybe? There's configuration, blah, 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 blah. English, blah, 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 blah. Average password. I'm pretty sure this is to make it go, but why it doesn't print? Oh, nice! It's printing all the results.
There you have it. We have the strongest material on the market.
150 degree, 2.9. Okay. Okay. Something I'm missing there. I think this is maybe there's a safety there. Why it doesn't go? Why it doesn't? Looks like they broke a lot of stuff. I see the piece of filament from the R&D here. They broke a lot of stuff. What else? I mean, there is.
Do we have
literally...
to set something? Oh.
Oh, maybe.
What?
Maybe you select the one you want to do. Kilojoule per square meter, speed, energy, simple, cantilever, length, width, depth, notch, daytime, backlight. Could it be the electricity? If it's 220, then it won't work.
I don't think so. I think it would throw some kind of error if.
Mode loaded, 0 config. Oh, you know what? I think Song sent me a quick. Let me try to find.
Do any of you have one of these at home?
Any of you have? Let me check. It's on. Let's see. I think I have an email from the testing engineer that is showing me something. Oh, there you go. Moisture tester tensor impact machine. Okay, so connect to a power outlet rated for 220. So it is a 220.
Oh.
Adjust the span of the fixture placement inside the equipment to 64. Click the power button on the device, then follow the instruction in the user manual provided. Okay, so maybe it could be related to this. but for some reason, I mean, the adapter is working, but the 220.
Does that have a fuse?
Yeah.
Maybe check to see if the fuse is blown.
How do I do that?
There should be a removable fuse. There's one there. Kind of like one of these in it. And if it's blown, then the wire will be broken in half.
Yeah, but how do I remove it?
Usually the fuses are pretty easy to pull out. If they
Oh.
have a fuse.
Maybe I need to.
Oh, in the back. I think this might be a fuse in there. Oh no. That just says 110. Oh. Maybe you got to put that in what volt? Oh no, wait. Okay, yeah. So that goes, you're going to plug it into 110, right? Or is that the setting?
No, because I use it for my. I didn't even know this was here, and I use it well on my treadmill. So my treadmill, when I plug it on the wall,
Okay,
it
so then
couldn't,
that must mean what voltage you're going to be using it with.
as you see, there's a 110 output and a 220.
Oh, well, that's off.
Yeah, I know, but
Oh,
I
that's
on, but
the
it
yeah, that's the
doesn't,
breaker.
and it doesn't. So let me try again. So you see, I do this, and then that's on, and then I plug that guy.
Do you have a multimeter?
No, I don't have a multimeter.
You should add that to your list.
Yeah, that's a good point. You see, I plug, and then nothing happened.
Oh, but did you try the other one?
And then the 110, which should be the same as the wall, basically. Is working. So
Oh, this one's 110 and this one's 220?
yeah, 220.
Oh.
So the 220, or maybe it's the adapter that
Yeah,
cannot
maybe the
take,
adapter cannot take that
cannot
much.
take 220. So that means, could it be that? Is it possible then? Because it says max total loading, 10 amp, 240 VAC. For indoor use only, blah blah. It should work. Oh, I know. Let me try to plug my phone when it's on 220. Should be fine, right? Yeah, it's charging. So somehow this is not working. No idea why. Okay, then sorry, this one doesn't work either. I'll have to figure out how to fix that. Okay, what else do we have? Did we do everything? I mean, that was working. Oh, did we figure out how to use that thing?
Which thing?
Did you guys check this one? Here, you can put them there. Let me move to the chat. Where is the chat? Okay, there you go. Life without a multimeter is possible, but pointless. Yeah, I will add this to the list. Okay, so remember I have this, and this is supposed to test. It's a heat resistance test, supposedly, but I'm not sure. Okay.
Was that maybe ViCat?
I think it's HDT. Should be HDT. So that I will have to check a little bit online how that works. So I think I need to put a sample there, and then I leave this, and then I put it in the oven. But I don't know. I don't know exactly. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to use. Let me check. Let me check some YouTube video and see how that would be working. Best of luck fixing your power inverter. Oh, I thought it was called a transformer. It's called an inverter. Okay, thank you, Phoenix. Okay, so let me take a picture and Google this. So it is called a ball pressure tester, a device used for thermal testing of non-metallic material, especially in electrical products. It's designed to assess the heat resistance of material like those found in household plugs, socket, other electrical components. Blah 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 blah. Ball pressure tester. So now let me go on YouTube. Ball pressure tester. Okay. So that's exactly what we have. Pretty much the same. Okay, okay. I hope it's not going to stop there. Okay, start really showing how to use it. Let me see. Oh, there you go. Set the oven temperature 125. Oh. Wait.
Maybe we need some pins and then 3D print that piece.
Oh, we need some extra stuff. Oh, wait, and it's... We need some extra stuff.
Here's...
Okay. Let me check another video to see.
Yeah, that could be a different type of test.
We may be missing a part.
Either that or it's a different
Why they all play around like this instead of just showing how it works? That's it. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I had last time. So you just put it straight on top. But how do you define?
maybe the...
Come back.
I wonder if maybe like the procedure is to step it up like every 5 degrees, and then whenever it makes a certain diameter impression.
Could be. Okay, they say test guide.
What is it we're testing? This is like a HDT tool.
What? It's not easy to find an actual. It's called ball pressure tester. If you guys wanna
wanna check?
The purpose of a ball pressure test.
Yeah, you see, you put the material and then you put that on top. But how do you know? Okay, I'll do more research, and I'll show you guys how you're supposed to use it. So maybe it's to test one particular temperature, and then it either succeed, either fail. Yeah, that's it. Every time they only do this.
We got to contact him for more details.
So yeah, I guess it's either it works, either it fail. Something like this. Like you put the material, you put that on top. Yeah, I have no idea. I need to do more research.
Well, I'm wondering if it can be kind of similar to like VICAT, where whenever it sinks a certain depth, that's where your VICAT is. So maybe if this sinks a certain depth, then you have a certain diameter impression on top of your piece. But I would think that would be sharper if it was like that, though. Not sure.
Yeah. Okay, we'll have a look, and then we'll see what is supposed to be. Okay, I think we did everything. Did we? We have the Petri dish.
Yeah, we don't.
Yeah, this doesn't work. At least whatever is working, we did. And then we have the Petri dishes there, which I need to contact my tech fan to help me figure out how to grow bacteria. But basically, I think so. What you do is, I believe, like for example, you put milk in your in like a 3D printed cup, and then you wash it, and then you put milk, you wash it, etc. And then after a week of doing this, you wash it, and then you take, and then you put a Q-tip, you rub it against the inside, and then you put the content of your Q-tip here. And in order to know whether there is bacteria or not, you put that in the oven or something like this, like warm and humid. And then if the bacteria grow, then it means there was some bacteria, something like this. I don't know exactly, but I will ask my tech friend to teach me how to use those.
You should put some milk on some PLA and then leave it for a week and then put it under there.
That's gonna be interesting also.
This is why you don't use PLA for milk.
Okay. Okay, so I think that was.
We haven't turned on the aging.
Yeah, I think we tried.
We don't have the adapter.
But if you guys want to look inside.
Oh.
So I think there is. Yeah, so you can see on top here, there is all the UV lamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 8 or 9 UV. Oh no, maybe 10 UV lamp, and then and then it controls the moisture, the humidity, and then the UV control, I guess.
This test is usually like 60 days, I believe, right?
Yeah, ultraviolet aging test chamber. So you put it for like, I don't know, 1,000 hours or something like this, and it should represent like years or something like this.
You're gonna have to print something in glow in the dark and leave it in there for a day. See how bright it comes out.
Oh, that's a good idea. we can use that to define the brightness and how long the brightness lasts, depending on the charging of the material. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all the different toy that we have, and some of them are working. Moisture tester was working, HDMI was working, the oven, programmable oven is working. We just need to figure out a little bit more how to program it. And the UV needs 220, and we need an adapter. This guy, I'm sure is working, but I need to install the software. And this guy, something wrong, which might be related to it. It really needs 220, so it can switch on at 110, but it doesn't work. So I'm pretty sure we need 220. Okay, we're good. Matt, do you have any other question or topic?
I don't think so.
Okay, then and we will resume the Printbusters. Unfortunately. That's why I hesitated to do today's stream. But unfortunately, I'm going to China next week for 3 weeks, so I won't be able to do anything for during that time. But I might jump on the stream just to start brainstorming. How do we? What testing do we want to do, etc., etc. And probably we're gonna work as a community because. I might not have time to print all of the different stuff or prepare the different sample, or maybe we want to have some sample we leave outside for a month or something like this. So if anyone wants to test something or have some idea, I will give you a shipping address to our warehouse. And anytime you guys want some result, or you want to put something under the microscope, or you are interested in testing some materials, then you guys will be able to send that to the warehouse, and then I will pick it up. I will come here and I will do all the testing on stream, and then we'll record the results. Okay, then I think that's it for today. Any last word, Matt?
No, I'm looking forward to getting all this together so we can do some work.
Awesome. Pete, any last word?
See you. This is fun.
Great. Then thank you, everyone. Have a good one, and we'll talk very soon.
Have a good night, everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. See you, Matt. Bye-bye.